Since I'm daddy, I choose the training regimen that Broly's gonna be using, alright? Not Papa, I'm daddy. Girls like to call me daddy. I would rev the hell out of her right now, up until like 6,000 RPM, but we're still breaking her in, alright? You gotta give me some time. Yeah, we're still breaking her in. So I'm gonna continue to hit that road a bit more, because that road is just so nice. So we're gonna continue hitting that road a bit more. And I wanna make sure I get my braking miles there, so we'll do a lot of motovlogging and stuff. There are other roads I can take to break her in, but the thing with those roads is that there's a lot of lights, things like that, traffic. This is a one-lane road. Sometimes you get traffic, sometimes they move out of the way, and sometimes it's wide open. So I think it's a lot of fun riding on these streets. So we'll see though. Turn the key on, push this button up. And then we're ready to clown. I like these levers, they're not bad, but I want shorty levers because I don't use long levers. I only use 2 fingers to brake, and I barely use 1 finger for the front brake. For the clutch, I only use 2. So the ride continues. So we did have a little bit of fun on Broly, so now we're gonna take it easy on Broly, and we're gonna go back to the normal, more calm break-in process and training. Since I'm daddy, I choose the training regimen that Broly's gonna be using, alright? Not Papa, I'm daddy. Girls like to call me daddy. You know, we need to get one of those trailers, carrying around all these bikes. Man, she sounds so beautiful. We gotta ease in the brakes as well. You can't really stomp on the brakes because you're still breaking them in. So sometimes you'll see me speed up and then kind of slow down, and it's not because the engine braking is heavy, even though it might be, but it's just because I'm using the rear brake and the front brake and easing them in and breaking those in too. They're part of the training process for my baby Broly. My Broly has all the glory. Okay, let's see if we can get her into neutral. Almost. I could do it with Nimbus. You have to get used to the quick shifter and the auto blipper setup because it's different. Nimbus has different and this one has different, but sometimes you can do the lightest tap and it'll go straight into in neutral, which I think is pretty amazing. That means you know your bike really well if you could just tap it into neutral without going through the full process. We got a chopper coming up and another chopper coming up, or a cruiser. And we got a cruiser over there. Remember, rear camera is going to be there once the break-in process is completed, because then I'm going to start acting like a fool. Oh my God, Lord. That was my right eardrum is ringing right now. That was so loud. I gotta ask you, man, if there's any Harley drivers, riders who watch my channel, how do you guys do it? Seriously, how do you do it? But how do you guys do it, Harley riders? For me, it's deafening, man. And I'm not even on the bike. I'm just next to you guys. So we're gonna pause a little far away from these homies. No hate. Actually, a lot of hate for your exhaust. But that girl over there is kind of ruthless. Pretty sure it's a girl though, because you're wearing heels and stuff, so, or boots with heels, big heels. Pequeño, small. No es pequeño de heels de motocicleta rider. I'm getting it, man, I'm getting it. Man, there's something on top of that white mountain. I gotta find out what it is. Imagine if there was a ramp that led you up there, only for motorcycles. That'd be amazing. We're sandwiched. Me rider, 2 cars rider, 2 cars rider. Pretty nice. Man, I really want to go to the beach right now and ride around the coast, but now we can't. Promised myself that I wouldn't. If I go there, I'm too tempted. Like I was tempted with the Mustang. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. If it's a McLaren and stuff like that, then hell yeah, man. I'm gonna take my pants off and we're gonna pounce. Broly hits the glory. Don't go, please don't go. Truck, come on, man. You can tell it's a ghetto truck, so he's gonna go slow. I love the driver behind me. He's driving so slow. He's holding everybody up. That's perfect. I love it that way. Ooh, Broly's getting hot on the right side, because that's where the exhaust is, or the headers, or the footers, or the whatever it's called. Link pipe, MJS headers, I don't know. Please, everyone, just turn right. That or go into the bushes. Ooh, an R1, R1. See, the Broly, she's perfect for the cold times, the winter times, because the seat is nice and warm, fuzzing it up for me. Even though I'm wearing leathers, I can still feel the heat. So it's perfect for this kind of weather. The quick shifter did jerk me a little bit when I sometimes go fast. Oh, sorry. I apologize, Broly. I made fun of her and she nut-checked me. I love the display. It looks so amazing. I like it better than the S1000 one, because you can make it white and red, or white and black. Well, I haven't seen the S1000 fully, so I can't say. But from what I've seen from the pictures and stuff and the small videos, I kind of like this one better. I feel like it looks more sleek and like easier to read. And I've always loved the normal, that one, like the round RPM dial. I don't like the ones that go like sideways and all that stuff. I feel like if it's there, it's okay and stuff, but keep the original one there as an option as well for people like me. Because that round thing just, I love it. Like I gave you a thumbs up. You gotta work all the gears, right? Should've went ahead. This is the guy who was holding everyone up. He didn't even turn. I got stuck behind the douchebag. I just wanted to have some alone time with Broly. Do some little revs up in here, up in here. We're gonna need gas soon, so once we'll go all the way to the front, we'll come right back. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. And then we'll turn around and fuel it up as well. And then we'll call it a day. Like I said, I can't be out too long because I also have a lot of errands to run. But I still wanted to come out and put some miles on the baby. She my baby. Baby Broly. It's so beautiful out though. That's one thing that being stuck behind this car makes it worthwhile. She is crazy fast, Broly. Even though her engine hasn't been broken in, she's still going through training. And the engine output is at low. It's still crazy fast. And the video where I went against the Mustang, made a sex tape with a Mustang. The Mustang probably thinks that, oh man, I can keep up with bikes now. Well, you can, man. You can. And another Mustang popped up just like that, just like that. Like what, like what, like what, like what, just like that, just like that. bit harder this time. You got your high beams on, guys. You can really trust Broly in the turns. Thank God. I can't tell you guys how much excitement I have with this bike. It's just so different from anything that I've ever owned. It's raw. It's like it's so much raw energy, raw power. That's one of the reasons we named it Broly. Is Broly has so much raw strength and raw everything. That is just Ooh, BMW S1000R 2017 edition. Body behind us. Knees gripping the tank. Oh my God. Oh my God, Ducati man, what's up? I think it was 1199. It had this, the coloring on it. Oh my God. Okay. We're gonna keep it the way we're keeping it. She's still in training. The way the bike sounds, the way Broly screams from like 7, not 7, like 8 above. Oh my God, it's godlike. So we're not gonna F with that. I don't know if you guys can hear the pops, but there are pops. There are pops. So there's a jerk in the throttle a little bit. So we will be getting the spacers in this soon. Oh man, you got a girl with you. Let Broly smash. I'm playing. She look kind of weird. I'm more than happy to have this bike and to have the Broly part of the channel. So we're not gonna rush it. We're gonna take our time. We're gonna have fun, and we're gonna wait because I know it's gonna be worth waiting for. We're gonna wait for when we can unleash her to the world in all of his glory after the break-in is completed. No rush, man. No rush. Broly, take your time. I'm gonna be here with you each step of the way. All of you guys are gonna be with her too, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. Hope you guys are enjoying these break-in episodes, these training episodes. I really don't want to start cutting things out because this is the fun of when you start owning a bike, a super bike, a dream bike, is that you want to share the entire experience. So for those who are watching it all and here right now, thank you so much for the support. I want to show with like each bike that I get, I want to share with you guys and the bike in a way that it feels like you guys, you know, own the bike too. You guys experience the bike so much that next time somebody talks about the break-in procedure or the training procedure for Broly, you can chime in and be like, oh yeah, you do this, you do that. Oh yeah, man, like when you get a bike yourself, you'll know exactly all the stuff that I did that you could replicate. I'm not doing anything stupid. Yeah, sometimes I go a little high. Yeah, we went against, you know, we made a sex tape with the car, but like, that's small stuff. The engine's not gonna break apart, break down and fall down, and Broly's not gonna be hurt with something small as that.
darkest memories not let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track.